Hello and welcome to the Omnex webinar, AIAG VDA FEMA Problems and Solutions.
We also have free webinars we're going to continue. And folks, these are some of the training we have. So introduction to the AIAG VDA FMEA. If you didn't know and you're listening in for the first time, just to let you know that the project coming from two different, one from VDA in Germany and from the AIAG here in Southfield, Michigan, was to combine two different formats of FMEAs into one format. What's the big deal? Well, actually, it's a big deal. The large tier ones and the OEMs are global players, including now you're seeing second tiers being global players. They're global players, and there's a big issue in that the German design engineers and manufacturing engineers have an FMEA that's not compatible with the other large part of the automotive industry that's in the US. And in countries like Mexico and China, where both parties are very strong, that is the German OEMs and the American OEMs, there's multiple formats people have to do things in, and it's very confusing, and it's non-value added. So, team members from the OEMs and Tier 1s from Germany and the USA worked together, really folks, for 3 years, and finally released June 3rd, 2019. So, this is a slide just saying what is it we're looking at. There's a failure that's a cause that fails, that results in a failure mode that results in an effect. Okay? All right. Here are the 7 steps of the AIAG VDA from the AIAG VDA FMEA Handbook, right from planning all the way to the results. And what can we say? Well, it's the same process for both the DFMEA and the PFMEA. Here on the very top, you see the 7 steps. Here is a form we took from the AIAG VDA FMEA itself. And it's a good summary sheet to have. And you look at the very top, it says systems analysis, failure analysis and risk mitigation, and the 7-step communication. This is the 7 steps we recommend. The process flow diagram and structure analysis, the function analysis as characteristics for the focus level. We don't think you should even populate that function level, but really if you do the process flow correctly with that modified structure, then of course you can, because we've already identified what are the failure causes potentially that drives that characteristic. All right, and then failure analysis, folks, and then we have the 5B, the linkage to the control plan. So here in 5B it's the planning for what gets affected in terms of shop floor, and then in 7B is the linkage to the control plan and the shop floor standardization documentation. So this is the 7 steps that will work very nicely and very similar to what we have been doing for a long time. So with that, thank you. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye now.